Let me ask you something. Are Home Depot penny items a real thing?
Penny items?
Yeah, like do that actually happen here at Home Depot?
I've heard of it.
You want to see it, bro?
No shit.
Alright guys, so the shark back that we were looking for is, said there was one, and it's up there in that brown box. So we have someone coming over here, see if we can get it down. Is that fun to drive secretly?
You should scan.
Thank you very much. You're welcome. You scan this, it should come up as not available in store. Bang. We're gonna get it for a penny. How you doing this morning?
When you're finished, select the Pay Now button. Choose your payment type.
Just like that, we got ourselves a shark vacuum.